Before the war, they promised unity. Before the missiles flew, they screamed Muslim Ummah. They claimed, if Israel attacks Iran, we will retaliate together. But when war came, when Iran needed support, Pakistan was the first to shut its airspace. This is the truth of the so-called only nuclear power of the Muslim world, a nation for sale. Just before the war, Pakistan's leaders were loud, "We stand with Iran. If Israel attacks, we will respond." There were even nuclear threats hinted. But when Israel struck Iranian targets, what did Pakistan do? They immediately closed their airspace, not for security but to avoid offending their real masters. While Iran braced for war, Pakistan chose silence and submission. Not even words of support, just airspace bans, cowardice, and betrayal.
You do admit, sir, that Pakistan has had a long history of backing and supporting and training and funding these terrorist organizations.
We have been doing this dirty work for the United States for about 3 decades,
Pakistan lives on loans from the IMF, China, Saudi Arabia. They produce nothing, export little. The only thing they sell? Loyalty, land, and terror. From giving away Gwadar port to China, to renting out Noor Khan airbase to the US. Pakistan is like a mercenary state. Pakistan is not a democracy. It is a military-run state with politicians as puppets. The military decides foreign policy, war, peace, and who becomes prime minister. Even their own people suffer under this regime. Journalists jailed, opposition leaders beaten, all while the army lives in luxury, funded by Western aid and Chinese loans. Pakistan loves to shout Muslim Brotherhood, but has never stood by any Muslim nation when it truly mattered. They helped the U.S. drone strike Muslims in Waziristan. They were silent when Uyghur Muslims were thrown into Chinese camps. And now, they've betrayed Iran too. This is not a country of principles. It is a country of profit, sold to the highest bidder. Pakistan-backed terrorists killed innocent tourists in Pahalgam, unarmed, defenseless people. That was their message of jihad. India replied with Operation Sindoor, destroying terror camps, launch pads, and even Pakistani airbases. And while India fought terror, Pakistan's ISI plotted to assassinate PM Modi during the G7 in Canada using Khalistani extremists. This is Pakistan, a backstabbing state that kills, lies, and sells its soul. And this is India, we hit back, harder than ever. Pakistan wants to lead the Muslim world. But how can you lead when you're always kneeling before your masters? China, America, Saudi Arabia, anyone who pays. Iran learned the truth the hard way. Tomorrow it could be Turkey, Qatar, or any other Muslim nation. And India. We've known for decades, never trust Pakistan. Never forget Pakistan sells betrayal, not brotherhood.